Find the least common denominator for the list of fractions. Here we have the fractions, negative 3 over 10p squared, 21 over 25p to the third, and negative 7 over 30p to the fifth. So let's focus in on these denominators. We're looking for a least common denominator. Starting with 10p squared, I want to write this in a prime factored form, reducing this product down to its primes. 10 can be factored into the primes 2 times 5. And then we're going to just attach that p squared to that as well. Looking at our next denominator, 25p to the third. 25 written in prime factored form is 5 times 5, or 5 squared. Let's attach that p to the third as well. Our last denominator is 30p to the fifth. We want to write 30 in its prime factored form as well. I'm going to use a factoring tree. 30 is 5 times 6. 6 is 2 times 3. So in prime factored form, 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, and this expression also has in it p to the fifth. Now, a least common denominator is going to include every factor that we see here along with its largest exponent. So our LCD is going to include a factor of 2. It's going to include a factor of 3. It's going to include a factor of 5 to the second power. That's our largest exponent that we see. It's also going to include a factor of p raised to our largest exponent, the 5. Now let's multiply this together. 5 squared is 25 times the product of 2 and 3, 6, is 150 p to the fifth. Our lowest common denominator then is 150p to the fifth.